give a damn about a hater when I feel like it. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm tryna get paid. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way.
Retwisting is down.
Up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be alright. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is troubling your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be. I wanna give our love away. You're not letting me, get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
Okay, y'all, so if you made it this far, then as you can see, the video slowed down. I slowed it down for anyone, you know, who needed it slowed down because it was sped up. So as I stated in the first video that I made, I do the over method with the comb. As you can see, I don't know how to explain that method. I could only show you. So I go over blah blah blah. I cannot explain it. I can only show you. I'm sorry, but this is basically my method. So when you part in, you know, Braids, you see how I comb to the side a little bit because you want to see what you can clean up without having to actually part. Because when you part and you should be only like moving 1 or 2 strands of hair, just a couple strands of hair, unless the client has waited extremely long to come back for a retwist. You know, you clean across first, and then as you go along, you know, for each lock you part and then you twist. So basically comb twisting, then I'm palm rolling, and then I'm clipping. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's helpful. Mainly I hope it's helpful to somebody, and I'll be dropping more content soon with the lock repairs, and just stay tuned. Or, you know, it'd be nice if you just let me know what you want to see, or, you know, what kind of video you want me to make when it comes to locks, or just any content that I'm providing on this channel. But yeah, this is just a retwist, and then later on in the video you'll see me do the style. It's not the complete video of the style because of course ToshaKAccessories did not have the camera facing the way that it should have. It was like, as I'm styling, my body was blocking the video, so I had to edit out as much as I could. I kept what I could keep, and the style is just basic under braids, pop smoke. If you're familiar with pop smoke, they call them pop smoke braids, but that's the style. And yeah, so like I said, I hope you're enjoying the video, and I'll pop back in later. Also, you want to make sure that when you go in to turn the comb, that the tip of the comb at the base is pressed not too hard up against the client's scalp, but pressed up against the client's scalp on an angle so that the hair won't slip out the comb. Somewhere in the video you can see the hair slipped out the comb, and I had to go back in and start the whole twist over.
Team play, for Pete's sake. I'm above average, I padded my stack. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010 young LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fate, then you ask for it. Cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport, cause the beat bounced to the cap torn. Feel like I live it, fast forward, but I asked for it. Misfit, got a quick lit on a crash course from the tattered garment to the tabloid. Fuck how I live it into existence. Might be ahead of myself, but the bank account did jump up a couple figures. Feel like nobody could with us. I'm a flight risk. I play among the stars in the Hollywood Hill, the space that you couldn't even get in touch with me. Praise faith that I stuck with it. Wave. No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave, but everything I say turn into the real thing. I tell her run it up, cause you know it ain't a thing. We made it out the slums, the words on the page. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave, but everything I'm saying turn into the real thing. I've been living like I'm famous, like I don't show my face as I'm jumping on the stage, like I'm living in a daydream. Thoughts and imagination. She only want me when she fake. She quick to tell me I'm a fake. She ain't told no lie, she love it when I catch my cadence. She gone off the deep end, pull up every weekend. I hate to let her down, but I'm in a fast life, so you never slowing me down. Heart rate jumping like you know, sleep out. How you switch up, you always help me down. Wonder why I turn into a cold of me now. It could be worse, right? I got where I'm at without no work-life balance. You tell me that it's love, but I'm knowing that it's madness. Squad with me, God cut us from the same fabric. No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave, but everything I say turn into the real thing. Tell them run it up, now you know it ain't a thing. We made it out of slums with the words on the page. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave, but everything I'm saying turn into the real thing.
Okay, y'all, so we're at the styling part. If you notice, I separated 6 different sections. Here we go with the tongue twisting. 6 different sections for the braids. We're trying to get 6 braids. It might have ended up being 7, but basically you separate it, put a rubber band around it to hold it until you're ready to work on that braid. These are under braids. This is like a more easier style for beginners. It's under braids, well, a style of braids. Other easier styles is I would say box braids, 2-strand twists, the rolls. I'll insert some pictures and show you those braids. And with the box braids and 2-strand twists, you don't really need clips. You can just twist or braid as you go along. And spider braids is the easiest braid style. I could demonstrate that in the video too, the next video. So I'll insert the pictures, and these are going to be something more simpler and easier for beginners who just started styling. And as time go along, you know, you'll learn how to tweak it and bring it this way and bring it that way, and then voila. I don't know if you noticed, but my video quality is getting a little better compared to the first one. That was my very first time recording a lock video, so, but it's getting better. I think once I get that new camera, it'll get even better. As well as the recording quality. I think I'm getting a little better at that too.
Up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is troubling your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me